If Figma is showing error 100, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few practical fixes you can try right away to get back to designing. Error 100 can often happen when a file is too large, too complex, or when the desktop app needs a fresh restart. So if you've been stuck and your Figma file won't load properly, follow these steps carefully. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should try is clearing the application cache. If you're using the Figma desktop app, click Help at the top, then go to Troubleshooting and choose Clear Cache and Restart. This is one of the quickest fixes because it removes temporary data that may be causing the app to glitch. After the cache is cleared, Figma will restart automatically, and in many cases, that alone can fix the error. If the issue still continues, the next step is to restore an older version of the file. Open the file browser and locate the file you were working on. Then check the version history and look for a point before the memory overload or crash happened. Restoring an earlier version can help if the error started after a recent change, especially if a large asset or complex layer was added. Once you restore that version, open the file again and see if it loads normally. Another important fix is reducing image-heavy layers. Large uncompressed images, deeply nested groups, and heavy raster assets can put a lot of pressure on Figma, especially in massive files. If your file is extremely large, try opening it in thumbnail mode first so you can identify the heavy areas without loading everything at full detail. Then, remove or replace any oversized images, simplify complex layers, and delete anything that isn't necessary. This can make a huge difference in performance and may prevent error 100 from happening again. If your project is still too large, the best solution may be to split large files into smaller ones. Instead of keeping an entire design system, multi-page wireframe, or huge project in one file, break it into separate, isolated files. For example, you can keep components in one file, wireframes in another, and final screens in a third. Smaller files are easier for Figma to process, load faster, and are much less likely to trigger memory-related errors. If you're trying multiple fixes, I recommend starting with the cache clear first, then checking version history, then reducing heavy layers, and finally splitting the file if needed. That order gives you the fastest chance of solving the problem without losing work. And if you're working with a team, it's also a good idea to let others know before restoring versions or making major file changes. So to quickly recap, clear the app cache and restart, restore an older file version, reduce image-heavy layers, and split large files into smaller ones. One of these steps should help you fix Figma error 100 and get your project working again. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more Figma fixes, design tips, and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.